On this episode of The Real Housewife of Nebraska, today I'm doing my first 10-minute tidy up. Get ready for some cleaning motivation, along with food for the family. This recipe that I have is for my sister-in-law. As I said before, my entire family loves it. Hello everyone, if you're new here, my name is Casey, or the Real Housewife of Nebraska. Today I'm doing my first 10-minute tidy up. We'll see how close I can actually get it to 10 minutes. And then towards the end of the video, I'm going to show you one of the recipes that my entire family loves, which is really hard to find something that the kids and my husband and I all like. So stay tuned for that. Once again, I would really appreciate it if you hit the subscribe button and the bell down below so you're notified of future videos. And of course, I really appreciate it. Okay, let's get started. There's my youngest daughter right there, but in her defense, she did not make all of this mess. I have another daughter, Camille, an older daughter, and then my niece and nephew, one of my nieces and one of my nephews is over for a sleepover. So yeah, they were eating a little food, playing baby. I said after they ate good, they could choose one candy. Yep, a candy out of the candy jar. So we have a mess to clean up, as you can see. Toys. And then over here at the kitchen table, some more food. My kids love scrambled eggs, fresh from the farm, so there's some remnants of that. My succulent is still alive though, so that's kind of exciting. If you haven't been watching other videos, I've struggled with this succulent I got for my birthday, but it's still alive, so that's good. Today, I think I'm going to get rid of this carpet. I've had this carpet for a long time, and as you can see, it's worn and always getting dirty. But it is nice when you have young kids sometimes to have a couple worn things that just get dirty all the time. But I think I'm just going to get rid of it. Make sure I have protectors on the end of all the chairs. The kitchen needs a good clean too. Dishes. And then of course I'm going to make something in a little bit. But back to this room. Hopefully I'm not making you dizzy. I was going to show you though. I just got this pillow that I love. And it goes with my other rainbow pillow. They kind of need to be situated just right now. But yeah, let me know what you think. Or if you would go with a different route with the pillows here. Some of my pillows were getting pretty worn, so I got a couple new ones. Anyways, okay, let's get with the tidying up. Now, moving on to the dining room area, I already cleared off all the stuff off the table and washed the dishes, but I'm gonna clean off the table and then, as I said, get rid of this rug and clean the floor. Here's what the room looks like now. To remind you, I'll show you a little video of what it looked like with the rug. This room isn't what I want it to eventually be. I'd like to have a new table. We were actually given this table by the previous homeowner of the last home we lived in. They left this table there for us, and then my husband restained it because it had like colorings all over from their kids. But anyways, it does for now, but eventually I have this table from Article that I've had my eye on. And anyways, so I think it looks a lot better without the cheap old rug. But yeah, let me know what you think or what you would recommend for this room right here. Now I'm going to do a little dusting in this section, and eventually here I would like to just like one big beautiful picture right there. But you know, yeah, if any of you guys have looked around, some of those big beautiful pictures cost a lot of money, so that's eventually. Right now I'm going to take my Mrs. Meyer spray and clean that area off. Now I'm going to do a load of laundry. I try to do a load of laundry every day so it doesn't get out of control, but I wanted to show you a couple things before I did that. So first of all, I walked in here and I'm like, oh, what are these? The kids have been catching tadpoles, which is kind of cool. I used to do this when I was little and then watch them turn into frogs. But anyway, I think we're gonna have to figure out a different situation rather than just this glass container here. Plus I think they probably need a little bit different water, so I'll have to do that quickly. And then over here, this big box of stuff, my older daughter Camille has a birthday soon, and she wants a rock star birthday party. So we got all these photo prop things here, more photo prop stuff. My kids have been playing with this a little bit, so I'll show you a picture. In addition to all the photo props, we get some cups and plates and napkins. And then these will be kind of party favors all the kids can take home. We have, for cupcakes, these ones. I'm gonna try to attempt to make a drum cake as well, but my cake decorating skills are not the greatest. So we'll see how that goes. Oh, and there's a piece of underwear in there. Yikes. Okay, that needs to go in the laundry. And then here is a photo backdrop that's supposed to look like it's like kind of a red carpet for everyone to take pictures of. So that'll be cute. Of course, the popular foil balloon, happy birthday. But we're gonna be doing vlogs on her birthday party, preparing for the party, like cleaning up, and then also the party itself. So stay tuned for those. So we've made it to the cooking portion of the video, and this recipe that I have is for my sister-in-law. As I said before, my entire family loves it, and my nieces and nephews all love it. It's a hit. It doesn't really have a name, but it's kind of like a tater tot casserole dish. Basically what you'll need is, right now I'm browning 2 pounds of hamburger. You'll add a little bit of salt and pepper to that. And then after it gets browned, you'll also add a can of tomato sauce, the 8-ounce cans, 1/4 cup of ketchup, just a squeeze of mustard, a handful of brown sugar, but not too much. So these are my sister-in-law's directions, but they actually work. She's kind of like an old-fashioned cook, a great cook, where she says, add a handful of brown sugar, which I'm like, how much is a handful? Well, a handful. Okay, so yeah, handful of brown sugar. You stir it all up. You put it in a 9 by 13 inch pan. Dump a package of cheddar cheese on top, the 8-ounce packages, and then spread out on top of that tater tots. You'll bake it for 350 degrees for 1 hour uncovered. Easy, simple, fairly quick, and hopefully your whole family will enjoy it. Once again, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. I hope it gave you some cleaning motivation and brightened your day. So you can stay tuned for future videos with my kids and I have, as I pointed out, my other daughter has a birthday party coming up, which we'll vlog about. So yeah, stay tuned for those videos so you don't miss out. Hit the subscribe button, the bell down below, and please give this video a big thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching, and happy cleaning, everyone.